Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. This is today's project, except it's slightly not. So you're seeing this on Friday the 26th of March, and I'm filming it the day before on Thursday the 25th. Now, as you know, I do film some of my projects quite far in advance. Some of them I film just a few days ahead of time, and this was a deliberate one. So I do that when I am using products that are limited supply, and this beautiful butterfly brilliance paper has in fact, and it's not focusing. Why is it not focusing on me? Autofocus. There we go. This has actually now sold out. Oh, I might have to put my phone on silent. Oopsie daisy. So yes, sadly that has it has sold out since I designed this project, but I leave these projects, I leave them as a gap, and I film them right before time so that I know that I'm as live as possible. What it does mean is that I can share the retiring list for the annual catalogue has now gone live. That went live on Wednesday, so the day before I'm filming it, 2 days ago, and it means that all of that stuff is on while supplies last too. So be very, very quick. Don't miss out on anything. I don't carry stock, so if you miss it, I can't get it to you because I just don't carry stock. I only have what I'm going to use. So yeah, retiring list went live. That means on the 1st of April, demonstrators and new joining demonstrators are going to be able to shop from the selection of the new annual catalogue stuff. Oh gosh, taking a big deep breath because I've got lots to share. It also means that the January to June catalogue, the mini catalogue, that is obviously good till the end of June. There is a list of retiring stuff, which we know is not going to be carrying over, but there are no discounts on that yet. That will come on the 1st of June if there will be any. So lots of information. Yes, sadly, this paper has sold out. Retiring list is live for the annual catalogue with discounts on it. Oh, in colours, I've been talking about that recently. Grab them while you can because they're the ones that go really, really quickly. And January to June, still good till the end of June. Oh, right, okay, so because I used this paper, I now need to change it. But that's fine. I deliberately used that one because I loved the paper. Loved it, past tense, I still love it. But also because it was 6x6. And I have got one of our little cube boxes, clear tiny treat boxes. I love these things. Do you know what? Here's the really bad thing. So I'm filming this at about 9 o'clock in the morning. We got a look at the new catalogue at 7 o'clock last night, along with the retiring list. Haven't taken it all in, so I don't even know if these are carrying over. I have a funny feeling that they are. So I'm just bending all of the parts. You don't have to do a really big deep crease or anything like that. So this funny sort of U-shaped one, oh, that you can't see against my hand. There we go. The U-shaped one goes in first with the two sides, and they sort of hook and it holds in place. And then this one with the funny sort of pointy top, that goes in last and tucks in, and that's what holds the sides in place. Oh, there we go. So I've put some pretty paper in here, and it's a 2x2 inch cube, 5x5 centimetres, but that doesn't mean that you can just go, well, I'm going to have a 4-inch bit and fold it in half, because there would be overlap. Oh, which paper shall I use? I don't know. This one. That one's very pretty, and it's the same sort of colours, which is all good. So let me get my trimmer out. So you need a piece that is 1.5 inches tall, so you get a little peep of what's inside. So 1.5 inches, 4 centimetres. And then you need 2 pieces, and as I said, because this is 2x2 inches, the interior dimensions are very slightly less. So you can't just cut at 4 inches and fold it in half, you'll buckle. So you want to be a tiny little bit less. So really 3 15/16 of an inch. Is where you want to be cutting, which is going to be 10 centimetres. Why have I written 4 by 4.8? I need 4 by 10 centimetres. And you want 2 of those. So 1.5 inches deep, 3 15/16 of an inch wide, or 4 centimetres by 10 centimetres. And if you've got 2 of those are my little scrapper bits. Move the towel away. And you simply fold them in half, like that, and like that. And when you put them inside your box, they are going to fit perfectly. Now they're popping open because, you know, I haven't got anything in there yet. Let me have a look in my, in my inspiration drawer next to me as to what I can put inside. Is that going to be too big? Oh, let's have a look. That is just about right. What else have I got in here? I think that's going to be too many. No, that's just nice. I don't think I've got anything else tiny other than that. It's just, let's just put a little mini highlighter in. So I've got some little mini toiletries and a highlighter. I haven't got anything tiny. I'm looking in my drawers and I haven't. We'll not bother with that, that's fine. You know, lip balm and hand cream, plenty. And so they fit in there, and obviously that's then going to keep the size of it. Why is this camera not focusing today? Let me bring it. Is that going to you see, now it focuses. Okay, let's go in with the same colour ribbon. So this is Magenta Madness. This is not a colour that is retiring from the in colours. Those are, deep breath, Sam. They are Rococo Rose, Terracotta. No, I can't remember. I can't remember now. Let me just look at my ribbons. That'll be an indicator. Yeah, Rococo Rose, Terracotta Tile, Seaside Spray, Purple Posy, and Pretty Peacock. Had a sudden thought for a minute. Oh no, it's not. It's Cinnamon Cider. It's not. That's not retiring. And no, nor is Magenta Madness. Okay. I like these little boxes. These are great for last minute gifts. Why is that not cutting? That you can just literally pop something quickly inside. And then I'm going to stamp. Let's find a piece of Whisper White. There we go. So I've got the Well Said stamp set. Why have I only got one half of it? Where's the other half? Is that kind of a day? There's the other half. It's huge. This is a huge stamp set. So you can put together any phrases that you want. These are obviously bigger ones. These are ones that where you, well, you just put together your own phrases. And I put happy birthday on that one. I'm trying to think what we've got Easter coming up. Mother's Day has been and gone, so that's no good. Happy anniversary. Oh, I don't know if that one will fit in there. Oh, yes, it will. We'll do. Well, that's a happy. Happy wishes. We'll do happy wishes. Why not? It works. There's wishes. There's happy. You could do best wishes. We'll do happy wishes. Why not? Let's be different. Okay, and I'm going to put both of them on my block at the same time with a gap between. I'm going to get my matching Magenta Madness. Stamp them down there. And then this is the classic label. And you can see it's gone off one side. That's okay because I'm going to trim it down. Oops. And then this is a trick with a post-it note. So let me find a post-it note. So I'm going to feed that through. I'm not sure why. Why did I use a post-it note? Probably just to hold it easier. There we go. And that's given me the perfect length on that one. And I'll do the same on here. And I've shortened that, which is brilliant. And then I'm going to simply punch a plain white mini butterfly. And I've got my little sponges. No, they're not sponges, are they? These are blender brushes. Just want to tint the edge. You could do this with a sponge dauber. I'm addicted to these things, and you know, I like them. And I need to buy more. I've only got 3. And when I have a craft session, I can craft all day, and I don't want to be stopping and washing in between. Right, then to finish off, I'm pretty sure these are retiring. Oh no! I'm fairly sure they are, because I believe there's probably a replacement. Seriously, I need to go back and reread what's retiring and what's coming, obviously. So here we go. Let's get some mini glue dots, and I want happy to be over wishes. And my little butterfly on there. That, I think, is a cute little project. Seriously, what's up with the focus? It doesn't want to play, does it? You get the point. It's cute. Maybe if I focused this way it would be, but look, there you go, you can see them now. I think they're lovely and utterly charming. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Don't forget to go and check out the retiring list. Speak to you very soon. Bye.